Today, June 21st, the International Yoga Day. This day is special because of the longest sunny day. Almost all the parts of the world, this day is celebrated as International Yoga Day. Our Government of India and Ayush Department published a yoga protocol book. And on that basis, we are doing the practice on this particular day. Joanne Maria Toms of 6th standard demonstrate you the asanas described in this protocol. Hope all of you are joining and practice these postures. Thank you. Our yoga protocol session is starting with a prayer. Just keep your palm together. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Slowly exhale. Sanghacchatam samvadatam Sambho manasi janata Deva bhagam yatha purve Sanjanana upasade. Our yoga protocol session is starting with the Shidlikarna Vyayama or loosening exercise. First we have neck exercise. For that you have to keep your hands on your hip. Then breathe in, lift your chin. Then breathe out, down. Breathe in, breathe out. Keep the head straight. Then move the head to one shoulder. And twist your head to one side. Come straight and go to the other side. Then come straight. Then do the neck rotation. Clockwise, then anti-clockwise. Keep the head straight. Keep the hands down. Relax. Next category of loosening exercise is trunk movement. It's known as Kadi Shakti Vikasak. For that, keep your legs apart. Hands on your chest level. Elbows are pointing to the side. Take a deep breath, then move to left side. Come straight. Then move to other side. Come straight. Keep the hands down. Now third category is knee movement. Raise the hand on the shoulder level. Take a deep breath. Breathe out and sit. Ulkadasana. Breathe in, breathe out, sit, and come. Relax the hands. In this video, Joanne Maria Toms of class 6th demonstrate the asanas that described in the yoga protocol. First one is Tadasana. Keep the legs together, raise the hand, interlock the fingers, twist your palm up, stand on the toes. And heel down, keep the hands down. Then the Vrikshasana, stand on your one leg, then raise the hand, look straight. Now keep the hands down, keep the leg down, relax. Standing posture is Padahastasana. Keep your legs together, raise the hand, then bend forward. Touch the feet, touch the head on the knee. Now raise the hand and come up. And the fourth one is Ardha Chakrasana. Keep the hands on your back and bend back. It's like a half wheel. And come up, release the hand. The next one is triangle posture or Trikonasana. Keep the legs apart, keep the hands on the shoulder level, then bend to one side and look at the raised hand. Then come up, release the hand, keep the legs together, relax. Session is the sitting postures This posture is known as the Visramasana. Then come to the Dandasana. Keep the hands on the side of your buttocks, straight the body, look straight. This is the initial posture of every sitting posture. In our yoga protocol, next one is Bhadrasana. For that, sit straight, keep your feet together, press the knee to the ground. Then hold your feet, straight the body and look straight. This posture is known as the Vajrasana. This is the initial portion of the Ustrasana. Stand on the knee, keep the hands on your back and bend back. Straight the body, release the hand and sit there. Next posture is Shashankasana. For that, you should keep your knees apart. Sit there, raise the hand, then bend forward. Then come up, release the hand. The sitting posture is Vakrasana. For that, you have to sit in Dandasana, look straight, and bring your one knee up and place the feet on the side of the knee. Then turn to this side and raise the hand. And hold the feet. Twist your body towards back. Come straight. Release the hand. And straight the left. Relax. Next category is the prawn posture. First one is the Bhujangasana. It has two classifications, Bhujangasana and Sarala Bhujangasana. From this position, you raise the head and chest. Elbow should be on the floor. This is Sarala Bhujangasana. Then return to the normal position. Now raise the head and chest. Elbow should be up. This is Bhujangasana. Then return to the normal position. Place the palm below the thigh. This is the Shalabhasana. Lift the legs. Bring the leg down. Now relax in Makarasana. And place the cheek on your palm. Next category is the supine posture. First one is the Sedubandhasana. For that, bring your knees up and hold your ankle. Lift your body. Now support your lower back with your hands. Now release the hand and hold your legs. Better to hold the shin and press the knees on the chest. Touch them with your knees. Relax. Keep your legs straight. Keep the legs apart. Palms facing up. This is Shavasana. Positive posture. Next one is the Kapalabhati. It's a rapid breathing. For this practice, you can choose either Vajrasana. This posture is known as the Vajrasana, or the Sukhasana. That is a simple sitting posture. Or the Padmasana. Place the legs on the thigh. Then go for rapid breathing and trying to move your abdomen. Okay, just repeat once again. Initially, you start with the 3 counts, then you can increase. Just close your eyes, relax. Next, we are going to do the pranayama. First one is the Nadi Shodhana. For that you have to keep your right hand in Nasikagara Mudra. Then close your right nostril with your right thumb. Breathe in through the left. Now close the nostril, breathe out through the right. And breathe in through the right. Close that nostril, breathe out through the right. And relax. Now take a deep breath. And primary breathing. Just like a bee, you have to produce a sound, a humming sound. Relax. Next version of Bhramari Mudra, you have to include Shanmukhi Mudra in that. Close your ear, eyes, nose, upper and lower lips. And take a deep breath, release the nostril, produce a humming sound. Once again. And release the hand. Concentrate on your eyebrows. Center of the eyebrow, and close your eyes, relax. Our yoga protocol session is winding up with the Shanti Pada. For that, sit in Padmasana or any other suitable posture. Keep your palm together, close your eyes. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति।